कम शी पीने का टाइम 2 बॉटल पीती है शी. We've got a company with us today. Here you see. He's not cleaned his nose. Leaking. चलना यार. Look how beautiful this place is. ये ना मेरे को मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है अभी. खाली पवई मत जाना, मगर वगर पकड़ लेगा. है नहीं और चप्पल इज लेफ्ट. I'm already tired. No energy. Give the camera. Camera is more important. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new vlog. It's a good Saturday morning, and me and Annie are going for a short ride. I thought of making a short video so I could share this with y'all. Let's go. We are going to Aarey Colony. Aarey Colony कुछ 2 या 3 किलोमीटर है हम लोग के घर से. And probably this is my first train. I couldn't get. पहला बारिश में मेरे को भीगने नहीं मिला तो I thought of. Usually this place is like people come for a walk in the morning, but today it is empty. No one around. And this is the ये वो नया रास्ता बनाया उन्होंने. Hindi I'm talking, I feel so formal. I feel ऐसा सिर्फ कैमरा के सामने होता है या इन द सीन में हिंदी बात करते हैं तो. Morning rides in a rainy season is beautiful, and places like this जब भी आप आ रहे हो यहाँ. Why talk so formally? I don't know. Whenever y'all come here, always park your bike in this parking. They charge you around 20 rupees. अभी सुबह तो कोई है नहीं, लेकिन जब भी आप लोग आ रहे हो तो पार्क इट ओवर देयर. तो किधर और पार्क करेंगे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. इसको अभी भी जंगल में मास्क पहनना. बिस्किट. We got a company. So this is that village, you can call it, that you need to walk through from. And we've got a company with us today. इसका मैंने एक और वीडियो भी बनाया है, तो I'll put it in the description. जाके वो तो दोस्त लोग के साथ. So there's another place in that's from the other way around. Another place, man. What another way? Another, and there's another place. There's another place that is called Humpty Dumpty. If we leave early from here, I'll go ahead and make a video over there.
We won't sleep today.
And look how beautiful this place is. Chal. First river crossing. Hold. Catch. I'm coming out full.
Yeah, but I won't be able to do it. Now? How I'll come?
Keep your leg.
What?
Give the camera. Camera is more important.
Please. That what I didn't knew na. If I drop then you're gone. How am I supposed? I think
Come from here na. It is not deep water, man.
like that deep also okay
Let's go.
now. Very voice out.
So this place is known as Bangoda, which is in Aarey colony. It's a well-known place now. A lot of people come to chill, but probably it's not. I wouldn't say it's not safe for girls, but लोग अंदर दारू वारू पीते हैं, लोग थोड़ा इनकन्वीनियंट हो जाता है लड़की लोग के लिए. So if you're coming here, come with a good group where you can spend some good time. We are come in the morning, so I don't think people would be around, and we just take a short swim and we will go back. Amazing. I feel I have only forgotten the way now.
I think so.
ये रास्ता from here only where come in. Here. Come.
You just have to keep crossing. Your place is there. Why you want to jump? I don't understand.
So from the place where you all park the bike, जहाँ पे बाइक पार्क करते, वहाँ से probably 1 किलोमीटर का वॉक रहेगा अंदर. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 या 1.5 किलोमीटर का वॉक रहेगा, and which is complete off road. चलने में मेरी पड़ जाती है. And this one is one slippers. I'm already tired. No energy.
What?
I hope there's good water. If I change my mind, I'll go and swim. I don't know why they've digged all this. Why they might have digged? I think they इधर ना वो लोग वो शायद वो दारू का भट्टी बोलते हैं ना, वो बनाते. I think that's why they keep digging everything, and that's how I think they make it. किसी को उसके बारे में पता रहेगा तो कमेंट करो और बताओ. Look at the place.
It's the first time I think.
This is your first time over here.
No?
And in many of the vlogs you're going to see Annie now, at least for the next 3 to 4 months, because we'll be going to a lot of places, a lot of trekking. Guys, but if you are coming to this place, make sure that you know to swim. तो ये पानी में जाना भाई, ये पानी में बहुत सारे जान भी गए. And during rainy season it is more risky as well. तो अगर आ रहे हो तो स्विमिंग सीख के आओ, और ज़्यादा अंदर मत जाओ, और थोड़ा घेतली में मत रहो. मैं तो सीधा चलता हूँ. देखिए ऐसा थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल होने के बाद ना हिंदी में बात करने में मज़ा आता है, नहीं तो थोड़ा फॉर्मल बनना पड़ता है. और आ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ गाइस डोंट लिटर द प्लेस. कांच वाच मत, बॉटल जो भी ला रहे हो लेके जाओ वापस, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ग्लास पीसेस. नाउ विल स्पेंड सम टाइम टुगेदर, थोड़ा विल एंजॉय द नेचर. देयर आर पीपल फिशिंग ओवर हियर. लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन जूम इन. चल भाई, अभी ऐसा लगता है मैं स्विमिंग कर सकता है. Now I can plan about swimming. People, if someone is there around, I know I'm safe. इधर मगर वगर का टेंशन आता है भाई. ऐसा कभी सुना तो नहीं है मगर आगे काटता हटता है लेकिन खाता है. But I heard a lot of people talking about crocodiles and in his power area. Huh?
It's so dirty. Are you gonna go inside?
And your chappal is left.
Huh?
See your chappal.
So dirty, God.
See there's someone fishing. And here there's someone fishing. अब ये दो अंकल लोग के भरोसे पे मैं पानी में जाके स्विमिंग करता हूँ थोड़ा. And I'll catch you guys soon.
Why it's like this?
That is a fungus.
I know. Too much.
The water is so clean.
What?
Then clean water. This only water we drink.
Huh?
This water gets filtered and then it comes.
It's
She.
so dirty.
पीने का टाइम दो बॉटल पीती है. She.
Have you seen how dirty it is?
अरे तो directly they don't put this water. This gets filtered and then it comes.
No, we are going tomorrow. Now we will. In the evening we'll go and get that aquaguard with copper. That's it. You didn't charge the phone. Should have removed your t-shirt at least. Need to remove it again.
Sit here. Sit ना on that. Keep a wall leggings. ये इतनी बड़ी फट्टू है ना. I'm telling you to sit on this rock.
But
Sit on
it's
this
so
rock.
dirty, na? My clothes will get dirty. I was wet.
अरे sit ना here. Sit on that stone.
Too wet. Arey, it's so wet and dirty.
अरे what wet? Now anyways it is going to rain. See the clouds so dark.
Must not be. Because don't.
मैं जा रहा हूँ स्विमिंग करने. ये दो अंकल लोग के भरोसे में.
Ow!
I know to swim, but still like अकेला तैरने थोड़ी फट्टी है ऐसा खुले जगह पे.
Oh, why I'm feeling so giddy. Ulta now don't try, yeah? Now I'm telling you.
ये फट्टू रहेगी. I'm telling her to come in the water. उसको she's like मेरे को कोई पानी में लेके जा रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है.
Arey, but actually I'm feeling like that. See, now I'm feeling like I'm going.
Going what? Where you're going? Where you're going?
Feeling like I'm going there like that.
But Ladakh, you must get one kayak. This place is best for kayak. Kayak लो और मस्त चलते रहो. खाली पवई मत जाना, मगर वगर पकड़ लेगा.
Then I'll take my photo. You're going to eat now, mommy. You're welcome.
Now we're not going from the way we came from. We are just going to another place. I'll show you guys, which is called Humpty Dumpty. So we'll be walking all this way, and then from there there's that entry. I'm not sure if I can climb from there. In case I can, मैं तो चढ़ जाऊँगा. इसका नहीं मालूम. What's the time?
Makkar is 7:25.
आज ऐसा नींद आने वाला है ना, मस्त. This is like a proper satisfying day. That's why I always recommend live your life every day. find happiness in small things. चल यार ऐनी भाई इसका फोटो ही नहीं खत्म होता है किधर भी जाके चलना फास्ट भाई मैं सोया नहीं है I came हम लोग नाइट शिफ्ट वाले so that's why I told her we'll go in the morning we'll come back home and after which we'll have some nice breakfast and we'll go to sleep और मेरे को जिम में भी जाना है इसलिए चलना इतनी अब दिस इज दैट वॉल चल फास्ट यार भाई इसका फोटो और वीडियो ही नहीं खत्म होना देन व्हाट यू डूइंग मेमोरीज 100 फोटो 100 वीडियो कपड़े वपड़े लाने का भी जरूरत नहीं है
शॉर्ट पैंट
and this was such a sudden plan I was watching actually. I just came from shift. It was nice. It was raining ना तो मैंने इसको बोला चल एक थोड़ा छोटा राउंड मार के आ दे I didn't even carry a bottle of water यार What is that behind this wall? ये रास्ता किधर जाता है क्या मालूम और ऐसा एक्सप्लोर करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है Why I think we have come wrong मेरे को I think I'm come to the wrong place but let's see What if someone tries to come and kidnap you then?
What?
Oh,
My God is there.
Look at this. What is that? My God is there.
Yeah.
Annie, we have come wrong, man. We have to go down. हम लोग गलती से भी came on top.
Then why you were like, hey,
उधर we had to go from there. Look at this. Look at this way. चल यार फास्ट भाई एक I'm telling you now we came to the wrong place.
We can't jump. Huh?
See this place. We were supposed to go from down. ये ना मेरे को मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है अभी दोनों कोई नहीं है no one is there in this entire jungle only we both are roaming give me
What you are supposed to do, but no, don't tell me that you have to climb and
मैं ना ये दीवार के भरोसे पे चल रहा हूँ
what? That I understood, but you have become mad or what?
अरे then where
No, please tell me how I'll go. No, there is I can keep walking.
we'll go down from here or
Arey,
that uncle is there ना
Arey, there is I can.
Full.
Like this only.
हाँ तो we were supposed to go from down come here
Then you have become mad or what?
but where this is getting connected come we'll check
Go.
Hmm.
What is this? Arey,
अरे चल nothing
what chal?
be careful huh only the stones and all that's why I told you wear your shoes and come
When?
full man versus wild डाउन अरे इधर ऊपर रास्ता खत्म हो गया ना तो हो गए वांदे हाँ दस भाई है ना ये दीवार के भरोसे पे चल रहा हूँ बट climb will be able to walk out on the wall stay I think it is getting over here what we'll do we'll get down ये तो ऐसा चल रही है भाई, इसको पूरा रास्ता मालूम है इधर. See that place from here we can go down and then Izzat se we can go. See na here. Here, come here. From here we can go. Come na, we'll find. There's a slope, huh? Be careful.
Trying to do it. You asked me to be careful and do. I am very experienced in all this thing.
मेरे से ही सीखा है सब.
Oh please.
Trekking, waking.
Oh, just come and visit my uncle and
Tell me trekking spelling.
TREC.
TREC? Huh?
Don't
TREC.
put that.
Trek. Trek. अरे रे रे.
No, not putting on the YouTube. Delete it, huh? Delete it.
TREC. Trek. No, TREC. Trek.
No. TREC, I'm saying no. TREC. Delete it, I'm telling you now.
Ah, this is that place. Eh?
Delete that video first.
This is. We came here once with all my friends and see this pole. अभी तो मैं human flag नहीं करता हूँ, headstand, लेकिन I'll share one picture over here. I did a human flag. From here we have to go and we have to. सर तुम लोगों को भी एक्सप्लोरिंग का वीडियो देखने में मज़ा आता है ना. If you enjoyed the video guys, make sure that you like, share and subscribe because in this upcoming month we are planning for a lot of things. प्लान के हिसाब से कुछ चलता तो नहीं है लेकिन what tree is this? Huh? Look how beautiful this place is. Number phone down now.
Remove your phone down and keep your phone down.
Yeah.
What? What? What happened? I'll give you anything you want to upload like this.
That side is Powai. You see those construction that is
Be
taking
careful.
place? That is all Powai. Powai के भी बहुत नज़दीक है.
That delete the video. Rahul, please don't upload my this. Everyone watch.
Trek.
Don't.
Trek.
Do I want to talk on you? I'm saying delete. Delete now, please. Hey. Rahul.
और ये क्या slide? What they made slide?
Oh, that is.
We can go on top from here.
Huh?
We'll be able to climb on.
Yeah.
Try. ये एक रास्ता है and there's one route from there. पक्का ना won't fall. Come na, I'll go down and come.
What? Come there? I'm not coming.
भाई, look at this. अभी तो मेरी हट.
It's not like that. You can walk next to.
कहना. ये सब ऐसे ही करते रहे. This all like that only I can do.
Oh please, who came? You tried on me first.
ये where any this goes to someone's house man. भाई ये जगह किसी के घर पे जाता है. चल. Go down again.
What?
Go down. अरे this is is someone's house, man. What? Let's see.
No, it's not private.
Then what it is? It is house. Annie, don't go. Annie, don't go, Ray. No, you're mad or what? Someone. भाई घर चाहिए तो ऐसा फुल लेक फेसिंग क्या मालूम घर है कि क्या है कुछ शेर वेर नहीं पाले तो अच्छा है भाई इधर नो लेटी भी दिस नॉट आज बोल रहा हूँ मैं भी अरे someone will come lion and all they must have kept bloody empty house लेकिन ये लोग भाई नीचे कैसे आते हैं अभी ये घर वाले लोग हाउ दे माइट बी कमिंग डाउन अरे फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट दे मेड सो बिग स्लाइड होल्ड दिस
To come up, it was nothing but to go down. But down, it's so hard. After it become that hard.
होल्ड ना नथिंग
Watch out.
कम ना
What in life I've done, I have to do like this today. I can't do. Take your phone.
अरे कम डाउन
Rahul,
स्लोली
I won't be able to come.
अरे कम स्लोली अरे I'm there ना
No.
अरे I'm होल्ड कैचिंग यू चल
No.
अरे कम स्लो यू कांट गो फ्रॉम देयर
The gate is there.
अरे सिंपली समवन स्टे भाई किसी का घर है वो घर के इसमें घुस गए चल
Go from there.
अरे कम ना नथिंग
Follow this, we will get shortly.
अरे बदल टेक अस ऑन टॉप अगेन हाँ या अल्लाह हाँ चल यार रनी फास्ट
I am not being able to come.
अरे स्लोली स्लोली सिट लाइक मी एंड कम कम I won't be able to come. Are come sit like me and come. I'm if and this is guys, this is really steep. Huh? Come.
Arey, come, let's follow that in every it's better, na?
Are come from here. Other. Here you won't slip.
No, I'm not gonna trust you. Since you made me try over there, it's like this, it's better than that.
Hey, bhai, look at this, how steep it is. Just slip.
What to do, wipe? Huh?
Huh?
Wipe or what? Your back?
No, let it. It become dirty or what? चलेगा ना
Wait, wait, wait.
अरे ना अंदर
Wait, Himalaya, no. Himalaya, super, no.
This is called actual trek.
Trek.
Actual adventure.
She's so dirty over here. My slippers.
So who tells you to wear slipper in such places?
What I knew, I thought we are just going to go for a round
Ride.
and then we just take photos like how we used to do every time. And we come back, how we knew that you were gonna make vlogs and we are coming over here.
And now I'm a vlogger. Now it's time to
Be ready. Every day.
be adventurous. Now you have to climb this.
You have become. I'm not.
now, now you have to climb this.
No. Come down like that. You'll tell me again.
Come on. Are from this stone we can climb. Do one thing. Go there.
Try on me only. What else? Experiment and all.
इससे
Told you so. Child will come to the gate. That's why
this
we have
this is the right way we should have come.
See, come here. See, told you so. That gate was there only. Simply made me do all those things.
Where the gate was?
Here, come. Come. See, it was just over there. Just over there. See. I told you also.
But who stays, man? It's some BMC or property or government property. What is it in Brahman?
Mahanadi Park.
So this is Humpty Dumpty. This is where the water flows. I'll make another video as well. थोड़ा बारिश एक आध महीना और गिरा ना तो जगह ना पूरा भर जाता है, तो मैं उधर जाके भी एक वीडियो बनाता हूँ. This is Humpty Dumpty. And they've recently painted this. See, there's a dog inside.
Come with me. I take photo.
They've recently painted all of this. And this is that place जिधर पानी भरता है.
I want to take photo.
फटाफट चल.
अरे कृष्णा, you
अरे यार
why?
he's not cleaned his nose. Leaking.
Sorry.
चल ना यार.
अरे you clicked on no. You're not. Just vlogging. Clicked on no.
No, 2 I click.
Nice, you come.
आई क्लिक मतलब भाई क्या छोटा मोटा फोटोग्राफर लग रहा है क्या इसको अगर. So this is that place where water fills and you can go ahead and swim over there. That is like a this is that same place, you know, where we came
I know.
in the swimming. Hanging garden, hanging bridge. What is that bridge?
Garden.
Then people don't know about these places.
But it's not a garden, no?
Now, this road is also very beautiful. The one we'll go back from. So the water gets full in the lake. और लेक पे पूरा पानी भर जाता है और वहाँ से यहाँ से फ्लो होके ये जैसा आपको छोटा दिख रहा है वैसा वो पूरा फ्लो होके नीचे जाता है. कभी 1-2 महीना अच्छा बारिश आया ना उसके बाद I'll make a vlog about that. This place in rainy season is beautiful. ये बहुत कम लोगों को पता है ये सब जगह के बारे में. So if you all want to come and explore this place, do come. And मेरा बैटरी ऑलमोस्ट ओवर है, सो अगर कुछ दिखा सके तो दिखाओ. If not, as always, if you like the video, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do visit this place, share it with your friends as well.